Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the system defaults area because that's where associations live. Once there, make sure you have the right permission level, otherwise you can't save changes. You'll locate default apps or default programs and then immediately choose file type associations. This first action sets the stage. Pick one representative extension like PDF or docx so you can switch its viewer. Once done, the system will register a new handler for that document type. Now you select the precise extension to change and pick the viewer you want as the default. You'll see a list of installed apps. Choose the one optimized for that format. If the app isn't listed, install it first and then return. The OS will populate it shortly. Make sure to confirm each selection so the change is written to the registry or preference store. Once that's done for one extension, repeat for any other document types to maintain consistency across files. Finish by testing. Open a sample document and watch it launch in your chosen viewer. If the wrong application still opens, don't panic. Return to defaults and explicitly reset the association, or uninstall and reinstall the desired viewer to refresh its registration. If problems persist, use System Restore Points or check user account-specific settings, because sometimes defaults are scoped per account. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear the viewer's cache and relaunch the system if associations appear stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.